I'm back to Vietnam after COVID. I'm staying here as one of the sort of the waterways throughout Saigon. The water is terrible. I don't know if you can see it. There's nothing living in there. It's dark, it's dirty, it's smelly. And yet you can see the two sides are being they've got the bank, the river banks, and it's looking good. And I think it's reflective of where Vietnam is right now. There's progress. There's much more to be done. I want to talk to you about with a mission that we're heading to Vietnam next year. And one of the key things that we want to do is to help people with water. Now we've been doing it for over the years for housing and so on. But one of the key things next year we'll be focusing is digging wells, getting clean water to people. And surprisingly, there's still plenty of places where they don't have clean water. So I encourage you with the Walk-A-Thon coming up, join us or be generous, dig deep, and we'll be looking at going to very remote areas where people still don't have clean water. And so I'm looking forward with you to join us. Let's work together in helping this some of the most fundamental things that that people here ought to have. Okay, I'm looking forward to you joining us or contribute to the Walk-A-Thon coming up in this month. Okay, take care. Bye.